Good morning, everybody. Hope you all are fit and fine. So, the main motive of making today's video is to guide you the filling of the OMR answer sheet, which will be provided to you by the CBSE during your Term 1 examination. As you are already aware that Term 1 examination will be an objective type paper, and during the objective type examination, the CBSE will provide you a particular OMR answer sheet where we have to circle the appropriate answer of particular questions. So I will be showing you the two sample copies of that OMR answer sheet, and I will guide you how to fill that particular OMR answer sheets. So let us have a look on the sample copies. So this is the sample copy, which is actually only for the purpose of giving the information. This OMR answer sheet is a rough sheet which I will guide you how to fill this OMR answer sheet. Suppose this is your column and you are getting your roll number in 8 digits or either 10 digits. If your roll number is suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8. Your roll number is 8 digit roll number, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. So you have to encircle the digits like in this manner. In your column 1, it is written as 1. So you will encircle this column. In your column 2, second, number 2 you have written. So you will encircle the digit 2. In this you have written 3. So you will encircle 3. In this line you have encircled 4. So you will encircle this. In the same manner, whatever your roll number is being provided by the CBSE, you will encircle those particular digits along the line. Like I have done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The next one is 6. The next one is 7th. And the last digit of my roll number is 8. And in the same manner, you will be doing that. After that, these are the general instruction of filling the sheet. CBSE may provide you the general instruction, or these general instruction may not be written. It depends. So you will write your name in capital letter. Suppose your name is Sachin Sirswal. So you will write it in the capital letter Sachin Sirswal over in the name column. Then you have to write your class. Suppose you are a student of class 12th. So you will write 12th. Suppose this is your biology exam. So you will write biology also in the capital letter. Then you will write the paper code. Suppose 044 as per your CBSE is the paper code of biology. Then you will write 044 over there. Then next is the examination center number. It will be printed on your admit cards, or either it will be finalized by the CBSE. Suppose our examination center is 41062. So you will write 41062 in the same manner which I have done in the column of examination center number. And next is the examination date, which is very easy. On particular date, suppose your biology exam is going to be conducted on 16/9. So you will write 16/09/2021 in the examination date. Here you will be doing your signature, and this is the invigilator sign column where your invigilator will be doing the signatures. And next we will be moving to the correct options. Suppose in your exam there are 50 questions, or either there are 60 questions, and you have to attempt only the 50. So like in this manner, CBSE will provide you the answer sheet. Suppose you are finding that B option is the correct answer of your question number 1. So you will simply encircle the B column like this. Darken the appropriate circle in front of the question. In the same manner, suppose D is the correct answer of question number 2. You will encircle it like in this manner. Then again for question number 3, if you are finding that A is the correct answer of your question, you will encircle it This is the correct method of encircling your responses on the OMR sheet. Suppose once you have finalized any answer, like in question 3, once you were thinking that A is the correct answer, but now you want to change the response and you have put a cross over the A option, and now you have write D as the correct answer. In this question on the OMR sheet, when you have given your two responses, this is the wrong method of giving your answers. In the same manner, for question 4, simply if you are doing like a tick on the A or either tick on B, C, D, ticking is not the correct method. During putting the correct response on the OMR sheet, you have to encircle the appropriate option on particular questions. So this was all about the OMR sheets that may be provided by the CBSE during your term 1 examination. And one more thing which I would like to discuss it with you is, never ever try to use any fluid, never ever try to use any eraser for erasing your responses. Think before answering any response, and when you are finalized that is the correct option, that is the correct answer according to me, then only finalize any particular response. Thank you very much. So this was all about your OMR answer sheet.